Questions number 9 and 10 are looking at special cases for lines, which are the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. So if you have an equation that's of the form y is equal to some number, so like y is equal to 3, y is equal to negative 7, y is equal to 18, these are all horizontal lines, and horizontal lines have a slope of 0. If our equation is of the form x is equal to a number, so like x is equal to 3, x is equal to negative 7, x is equal to 18, then this is a vertical line and the slope is undefined. So question number 9, our equation is y is equal to 4. So this is a horizontal line that's going to go through 4. Now, one of the explanations for why this works, or why this is a horizontal line through 4, is if you actually just look at some of the points. So let's look at this point, which is 1, 4, and then the next point would be 2, 4, and the next point would be 3, 4, and then if you go out to 10, that would be 10, 4. So the thing that's common with each of these points is that the y-coordinate is 4. So that's why the equation y is equal to 4 works for this. If you want to type it in on your calculator, you can as well. So if you go to the y equals and type in 4, then you will see the horizontal line. Number 10 is x is equal to 3, which is a vertical line, and it's a vertical line that goes through 3. So right like this. Now, we can't actually graph vertical lines on the calculator because they are of this form x is equal to, and on our calculator we only have a y is equal to menu. So we can't actually graph vertical lines on the calculator. And then let's just look at some points here. So right here, this would be 3, 3. This would be 3, 4. All the way down here would be 3, negative 8. So every single point on this line, the x-coordinate is equal to 3. So that's why the equation x is equal to 3 represents this line.